Morning, guys. Hope you're having a great day. If you chose to do the review this way, that is absolutely fine. You will want to pause the video as you're working on the problems and then just start me up again when you're ready for the next one. Number your paper, and it's Unit 1, Unit Review. Make sure your name's on there so when I get the picture sent in, I know whose work it is. And show your work. So number 1, Juan counts his paper shapes. He has 7 hearts, 3 fewer stars than hearts. He has 16 paper shapes in all. Complete the picture graph to show Juan's paper shapes. So if you're doing this on a separate sheet of paper, go ahead and draw out the box with a line for hearts, stars, and dots, and then do the math from above. He has 7 hearts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's already done for you. 3 fewer stars, and 16 in all. So you have to figure out how many stars belong here and how many dots belong here. So go ahead and pause the video and work out this problem. You got this, guys. All right, if you're done with your graph, now we're on to problem number 2. Make sure you label it. And our problem says Linda scored 9 goals this season. Becca scored 3 fewer goals than Linda. Which equations can be used to find the number of goals Becca scored? Select all the correct answers. A, 9 minus 3 equals 6. B, 12 minus 3 equals 9. C, 3 plus 6 equals 9. D, 9 plus 3 equals 12. And E, 12 minus 9 equals 3. So number 2 is Linda scored 9 goals this season. Becca scored 3 fewer goals than Linda. Which equations can be used to find the number of goals Becca scored? Select all the correct answers. And when they tell you that, that means there's more than one, guys, so make sure you find all of them. Pause. Excuse me, pause the video. And when you're ready, start me up again, and we'll go to number 3. Number 3, fill in the boxes to show 2 ways you can find 8 plus 6. For this one, I do want you drawing these boxes. So you'll have 8 plus 6 up here, and then you'll have 2 blank boxes with an 8 plus leading to them, and a plus between them. A 10 down here, plus a box, and your final box on the bottom. So slow down, take your time, and think about what this graphic looked like. They're helping you out if you think about it. So for number 3 on your paper, you're going to fill in the boxes to show 2 ways you can find 8 plus 6. All right, good job. 3. Number 4 says Dan had 17 flowers. He gave away 9 flowers. Then he picked 4 more flowers. Find how many flowers Dan has now. Show your work. So number 4 is Dan had 17 flowers. He gave away 9 flowers. Then he picked 4 more flowers. Find out how many flowers Dan has now. Show your work. I'll give you a hint. This is a 3-step problem. Dan is doing several things. He's giving away, and then he's getting more. Pause and work out number 4. Write a word problem that can be solved using this bar model, then solve your word problem. This one's tricky. You really got to think. You've got a 7 and a 2, and then a question mark on how to finish your bar model. Think of what you want to do with these numbers and an answer, and then make a word problem about it. You can use anything you want for your word problem. Food items, animals, kids, whatever. Make it fun. This one will take a minute, so slow down think about the problem, and I can't wait to see number 5. All right, great job. Now for our performance task. Answer the question, show all your work on separate paper. Your school has asked you to read 20 books over the summer. You need to read 6 books about animals, 3 books about people. The rest of the books have to be about places or hobbies. You have to read at least 1 book about places and 1 book about hobbies. Make a plan about the books that you will read over the summer. Tell how many books you will read about places. Tell how many books you will read about hobbies. Explain why your summer program reading plan makes sense. All right, so on a separate sheet or on the other side, if you're still working on a different sheet of paper, that's fine. You're going to need some room. But you're going to come up with a plan to read 20 books over the summer. And they've given you all the rules below. You must read 6 about animals. You must read 3 about people. The rest of the 20 books have to be about places or hobbies. And you can't do all places or all hobbies because at least 1 book has to be about places and 1 book about hobbies. So make sure you read this carefully. I've read it to you twice, but make sure you read it again and make your plan. And then make sure it makes sense. All right, your summer plan for reading 20 books. I want to see your plan, and I want to make sure that you follow these rules they've given you. This is a big problem, so take your time. I know you guys can do it. I can't wait to see all your answers. Thanks, guys. Keep up the hard work, and if you need to replay the video, go ahead. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.